So this is Katelyn and my new setup. These cool new scooters, GoTrax GXL V2s. Really, they're just the most economic scooters. But I got my little GoPro mount there on the front of it so that I can use this Hero 7's Hypersmooth capabilities to get some sweet footage of where we ride, like BYU today and San Diego in a couple weeks. So we rode our scooters to BYU today. A nice little Sunday ride. We brought bread to feed these overly fed ducks, apparently, because of all these families. This is apparently a very popular Sunday Sabbath day activity to come to BYU to feed the ducks. So it's a really nice day though. Let's go find some ducks that are hungry.